Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Okay, so for Bitcoin, forgive my tone in trading view. Like, I'm not the kind of person that tells people I told you so. But I was trying to get this out really quickly. But what I mean is, always be careful of your risk. Bitcoin is no longer like the asset class it was in 2016, 2017, maybe even earlier. It is like there's a lot of institutional players in the space right now, and once their portfolio is too weighted towards Bitcoin, they have to take profit. They have to rebalance it. That's why you see these levels getting exploited all the time, right? Because it's so obvious that people will take a long here, right? Obvious people took longs here, leveraged longs. And if they break these levels, these market makers make billions for their clients. Yeah, so we will definitely see. I think it looks bearish now. From a contrarian point of view, if it looks bearish, I think it's ready to go up further from here. The market makers paint the charts, and that's what they want you to think. They want you to think it's bearish. So another fun fact, if you look at all the crypto exchanges right now, the short interest is now more than the long interest. Yeah, so more shorts than longs. So if it corrects more downwards from here, don't worry. I think it might be a weekend shakeout. Buy the dip, right? If you're not leveraged, buy the dip. If you're leveraged slightly, even anything less than 2, I think it's fine, right? 100K is coming this year. December it's going to be coming. 30% weekly green candles, right? You just need 2 of those, right? 2.5 of those, and you'll be up to 100K, and that will complete the wave 5 for Bitcoin.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.